solve here some of the equations. How to solve? Have to simplify all these equations. Let me see here one by one. First, it is the equation. It is given x minus 1 is equal to 5. X minus 1 is equal to 5. Let me see how to solve this one. So here what we can do first, the variable should be take one side and the constant should be take another side. Here only one variable is here, so x should be, we just put that x in this side only, and we have to transfer this total 1 we have to transfer to the RHS side. While transferring the RHS side, this plus 1, while transferring to RHS, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus it will get, and multiplication becomes division, and division becomes the multiplication it comes. Remember here, जब भी हम LHS से RHS के साइड में या RHS से LHS के साइड में ट्रांसफर करते हैं, तभी ट्रांसवर्सल रूल्स क्या होता है, जब कोई भी डिजिट प्लस में होती है तो माइनस में हो जाती है, माइनस में रहती है तो प्लस में हो जाती है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में रही तो डिवीजन में होती है, और डिवीजन में रही तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हो जाती है. So just we are transferring here that 1 we are transferring. Now let us see here that 5 is already there. We are going to transfer here minus 1. माइनस 1 जो है वो ट्रांसफर होने के बाद यहाँ पर क्या हो जाती है, प्लस 1. So the value of x it is will get here 5 plus 1 it becomes the 6. So value of x becomes the 6. In this way we have to solve. Let me move towards the next example, that is y plus 4 is equal to 4. So here what we can do, we have to transfer the numbers to the one side, alphabets to the another side. So let me see here that 4 is already there. We are transferring here plus 4 we are going to transfer. That plus 4 becomes here it is the minus 4. And as we know that 4 minus 4 becomes 0. The value of y becomes the 0 here. The next one we can see here, that is p divided by 7 is equal to 4. P divided by 7 is equal to 4. Let me see here that p divided by 7 is equal to 4. Then here p is equal to, we just have to transfer this 7 only. We just have to transfer the 7. After transferring the 7 is in division. 7 is in division. After transversal, division goes to the multiplication. After the transversal, division goes to the multiplication. So this 7 comes in multiplication. So p is equal to 4 7s are 28. P is equal to what we got here, that's 28. 4 7s are 28. After multiplying we get that 4 7s are 28 we got here. In this way we have to solve. Let me move towards the next one. It is 20t is equal to minus of 10. So here we can see that we just have to transfer 20t is equal to minus 10 is there. So we have to transfer this 20. What is the relation between 20 and t becomes multiplication? 20 and t becomes relation, it is multiplication. So we have to send this 20 to the right hand side. So it is in multiplication where it goes. If it is multiplication, it goes in division. So we have to put that here. So as we know that 0 0 is cancelled, so t becomes here minus 1 divided by 2. And what the t we got? T is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 we got. So the next example, that is m divided by 5 into 7 divided by 15. There are two, when the two numbers are in rational numbers. So how to solve this type of equation? Then we can see here that m divided by 5 is equal to 7 divided by 15 is there. What, as we know that numbers को एक साइड में करना है, अल्फाबेट्स को दूसरे साइड में कर लेना है. जैसे कि यहाँ पर नंबर्स है m, अल्फाबेट है यम को एक साइड में रखेंगे, और ये 5 जो है 5 को हम क्या करेंगे, RHS की साइड में भेज देंगे. तो यहाँ पर पहले से ही 7/15 हमारे पास था, तो पहले से ही था, तो हम उसे जैसा है वैसे ही लिख लेंगे. And if you are transferring here that 5, it is in division, so it comes here in multiplication. Okay, so let me can see here it is 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So what it remains, m is equal to 7 into 1 divided by 3 it remains. It means that m is equal to 7 divided by 3. M is equal to 7 divided by 3. Okay, so when here it is the equation, if suppose this type of question were there, then what we have to do? So how to solve this type of questions? Let me see here that 3z we have here it is the 0 already. We have to transfer this 12 to that side. The plus 12 is there, it comes the minus 12. 0 minus 12 it becomes 12 remains, 3z is equal to, it is the minus 12 it is there. So now we have to transfer this 3, the relation between the 3 and z is multiplication. So after transversal, so minus 12 is there, after transversal it is in multiplication. If it comes in denominator, if it transfer to the RHS side, it comes in the denominator, that is divided by 3. So it will see that here 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, so z is equal to minus 4 is the answer we got here. Okay. See the next question what will move towards here, like we can solve how to solve this type of examples. Let us see here 4m plus 3 is equal to 18 is there. So firstly what we have to do here, that as we know that for simplifications we have to use the BODMAS rules. After using the BODMAS rule, as we know that we have to clear out the bracket first. So here, so firstly we have to clear out the bracket here, m plus 3 we can't here add because one is the alphabet and another one is the number is there. So we can see here that we have to simplify this one. 4 into m becomes 4m. 4 into m becomes 4m plus 4 into 3. Here these two we have to multiply. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12, which is equal to 18. ये हमने यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट नोट आउट किया होगा, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ओवर एडिशन. We are using here the distributive property over addition here. The firstly I have multiplied. Firstly we have to multiply 4 into m, that becomes 4m, and afterwards plus sign is there. We have to put the plus sign, and then we have to multiply 4 with 3, that is 4 3s are 12 we got, and 18 as it is. Now we got this equations general form we got here, that so directly what we have to do, we have to send the numbers. Which numbers we have to send? Here it is the only 12 is there, that plus 12 we have to send to the RHS side. So then this plus 10 becomes the minus 10, minus 12, plus 12. Plus 12 becomes the minus 12. After sending plus 12 it becomes the minus 12. So 4m is equal to what we will get here, that is 6. And m, now what is the relation between 4m and 4 into m? 4 and m relation is 4 into m is that. So we have to send this into, means multiplication 4 is there. So we have to, after sending that, this comes in the denominator, means in division it comes. So let me see here that 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So m becomes 3 upon 2. What we got here, m becomes the 3 upon 2 we got. Simply the next equations how to solve. Let me move towards the next one. It is so here two rational numbers are here. What is here? Two rational numbers. We have to transfer them first. Here 5 upon 2 we have to transfer to that side. Here 2 I let it as usual. 37 upon 2 is there, and here plus 5 upon 2 is there. Plus 5 upon 2. After the transversal it gets minus 5 upon 2. Minus 5 upon 2. As we know that the 2y is equal to 37 minus 5 divided by 2. That is 2y is equal to 32 divided by 2. 2y is, sorry, 37 minus 5 becomes 32. 32 divided by 2. Here as we know that 2 1s are 2, 2 16s are 32. Means 2y is equal to 16. Then y is equal to, here we have to transfer 2 here. It is the relation between the 2 and y becomes the multiplications. The 16 divided by 2 it is. It is in multiplication. After the transversal it comes in the division. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So y is equal to 8 is the answer we got here. Okay. So then क्या किया हमने सिर्फ और सिर्फ फर्स्ट ये रैशनल नंबर को ट्रांसफर किया, प्लस में था माइनस में आ गया, and after that the common denominator is there. So just 37 minus 5 we have done, that is just 32. 32 divided by 2 becomes the 16 we got, and after transversal of this 2 it comes in division. 2 1s are 2, 8s are 16, that y becomes the 8 we got here. So simply move towards the next here, that is 4 plus, here we have to multiply 4 plus 5 in bracket p minus 1 is equal to 32. Here we have to multiply this 5 into clear out the bracket. After multiplying, you have to clear out the bracket. Let me see here that 4 plus 5 into p becomes 5p. First आपको p से multiply करना है, बाद में 1 से. बीच में जो माइनस साइन है, माइनस साइन ही रखना है आपको. 5 into 1 becomes 5 only, which equals to 34. Okay. So then next one, we know that here the 5p, it is minus 5, it is plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4. It means that 4 and minus 5 is there. So it becomes, we'll get that 1. Minus 1 will get. 5 minus 4 becomes 1. जो bigger sign में क्या है? Bigger sign के पास में नंबर कौन सा है? Bigger number के पास में minus sign है, तो हम यहाँ पर minus sign रखेंगे. So then next one, it is the 34 it is. So the 5p is equal to, we have to transfer this. We have to transfer this minus 1 to the RHS side, it becomes the plus 1. Then 5p is equal to 35 will get. And p is equal to, it is in multiplication, this pi is multiplication, it comes in the denominator, then pi is equal to 7 we will get here. 5 1s are 5 7s are 35. We will get the answer, p becomes the 7. Okay.